Hello, my name is Lubna, and today I'll be presenting about ferroptosis as a potential approach to improving cancer cell response to radiation therapy. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge that this project has no affiliations with any organizations and has received funding from Nawsim University and NSERC. So although radiation therapy is a commonly used and effective treatment against cancer, it can at times fall short in the face of radiation-resistant cancer cells. Recently, ferroptosis has been identified as a potential Achilles heel against such radiation-resistant cancer cells. So what is ferroptosis? Ferroptosis is a newly discovered form of cell death. Essentially, cells are always generating reactive oxygen species. At times, cellular antioxidant defense mechanisms may be overwhelmed by high levels of reactive oxygen species, which will then cause great cellular damage and result in cell death. So ferroptosis describes this oxidative form of cell death. The figure on the bottom left demonstrates a scenario in the top row, A, in which cellular antioxidant defense mechanisms in gray are able to overcome radiation-induced damage in black, resulting in cancer cell survival. Our project focuses on the scenario in the bottom row, in which radiation-induced damage in black is coupled with chemical inducers of ferroptosis in yellow, which together may be able to overcome gray antioxidant defense mechanisms, resulting in ferroptotic cell death, which is the ideal scenario. In this project, we are using a HAP1 cell model to explore how chemical inducers of ferroptosis, such as RSL3 in this figure, and radiation treatment, as shown in the clonogenic assay here, impact cell viability. Our next steps are to look at how co-treatment involving radiation therapy as well as chemical inducers of ferroptosis impact cell viability. This is important because ferroptosis is actually a very flexible mechanism, and that means there are many ways to achieve cell death. And so, by understanding how co-treatments can affect cell viability, we may be able to provide valuable insights in how modifications in diet or chemical interventions can be combined with radiation therapy in order to improve its outcomes on cancer treatment. Thank you.